Hi Veggie Fit families, it's Dr. Yami and welcome to Veggie Fit Kids. Well, it is a beautiful Friday. We had a full morning in the office today, seeing lots of kiddos, and I am ready for lunch. So what a perfect day to go and get some Subway. We have a Subway right down the street, and I think that this is a great option if you've never tried eating vegan, plant-based meal at Subway. I want to teach you how to do it and what things you should avoid. But this is a great option because Subway is everywhere and it's a great place to get fresh veggies. So let's go. I am so hungry. I'm gonna get a foot long. Yeah, I said it. I'm gonna get an entire foot long. How about you, Alejandra?
I have lunch in the office.
She brought her lunch today. But I knew I was gonna get Subway today, so I did not bring my lunch. But I usually bring my lunch because obviously that is going to be the healthier way to go. You end up eating less calories, less fat and sugar and added salt overall. But like I said, every once in a while, we go out and we get food outside of our houses, and I want to show you how you can use the restaurants around you that are present all around the place to get a meal that not only is plant-based but also can be health promoting. So that's what we're gonna do now. Oh my gosh, my husband just drove by.
That's hilarious.
Maybe I should text him and see if he wants Subway too. There he is. There he is. Anyway, okay, here we go. All right, so what's vegan at Subway? Obviously, all the veggies are, and we know what isn't, right? The meats and the cheeses. But there are some tricky ones in there. For example, the multigrain flatbread has milk, and the 9-grain wheat bread has honey. So those are not vegan, but the ones that are the hearty Italian bread and the Italian white bread. In addition, the roasted garlic bread, which I've never seen at a Subway anywhere, maybe where you live they have it, rye bread, sourdough, the spinach wrap, and the tomato basil wrap. As far as the dressings, there are a few that you need to watch out for. The buffalo sauce has natural butter type flavor. I'm not sure if that's butter or artificial butter, but you may want to watch out for that one. But the ones that are vegan are the fat-free sweet onion and the guacamole, the mustard, both the yellow and the deli brown mustard, the red wine vinegar, and the Subway vinaigrette. So the other ones either have egg or dairy in them, so you want to stick to the ones that I listed. Pretty much all of the desserts, all of the cookies have dairy and egg in them, so I'm gonna be avoiding those. But the other thing, if it's present at your Subway, is the black bean soup is vegan and sounds really yummy. Okay, so that is what you know that you can eat at Subway and stay vegan. But I want you to see how I order my Subway footlong. Hello, how are you?
Sorry, no photos right now.
Okay, I was just seeing what do you have. Is there a hearty Italian here?
Hearty Italian?
Yeah.
Yes.
Hmm?
Plain Italian.
It's just the plain
Regular
Italian.
It's not hearty?
Yeah, the hearty Italian. Yeah,
Should
hearty
be
Italian.
about the same.
No, the hearty Italian has
So I will just take the regular Italian,
Okay.
how about for you today?
and I'll do a foot long. It's just mine.
She won't share.
It's all veggies.
Veggie?
Yeah. All right, really quick. Some Subways, not all Subways, do have a veggie patty. It is not vegan, unfortunately. It does have both dairy and egg in it, but it is available. If you're vegetarian and not quite vegan, then that is available to you as well.
What kind of cheese?
No cheese.
What kind of veggies?
I will do pretty much everything except for jalapenos. Yeah. Everything except for jalapenos. Oh, you don't have anything to do you?
Bring it up. We're doing chips, drinks, and cookies, right?
No thanks.
No pressure.
There's lots of pressure now.
No jalapenos, no jalapenos. That was the only one to do. Can I have just a little bit more onion?
Sure. Salt, pepper, oil, and vinegar.
Salt and pepper, and then I'll do the sweet onion sauce too. I like spicy, but not that spicy. My kids love the jalapeno on it. I don't get the jalapeno on it. I'm excited.
So just a full on veggie for you?
Yes.
Okay, total 741 plastic. Perfect.
All right, it is time to unbag the Subway sandwich. Yum. You know what's awesome about this foot-long loaded with veggie sandwich is that it's actually under 500 calories for the entire thing, and I'm gonna eat the whole thing. Yes, I am. So here it is, all my delicious veggies in here that I'm gonna crunch and enjoy. Gonna be very lovely. So now you know how you can order at Subway. Stay vegan, stay healthy, get lots of veggies, antioxidants, vitamins, nutrients, and really enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching my video on Subway. I hope it was helpful. I hope that this gives you another option when you're traveling or you just haven't planned all the way and you need a good, healthy, plant-based option. Also, I wanted to tell you, my kids love Subway and they'll eat all of these veggies and jalapenos on their Subway sandwich whenever we go to Subway. So kids like it too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, please share it, comment below. What do you like on your veggie sandwich at Subway? What do you like to get and what do you not like? Enjoy it, guys. Have a wonderful weekend and I will catch you in the next video. Have a plantastic day. Things happen in life and you're just like,
Right.
oh, whatever, you know, and then just slowly slippery slope back to just normal, the way that you had been eating previously.
Yes.
What changed in your mind this time? Because I feel like you tackled it this second time, you tackled it aggressively and you lost weight
Yes.
pretty quickly. What changed in there? What clicked in there to make it so that you were so determined and so committed?
I think where I had gotten, when I did it before, I had about 20-ish pounds to lose from the fen-phen that had slowly crept on. And it was people at work that were doing it, right? It was fun. I had like 4 of us. We would go to lunch and we would have this little, okay, how much did you lose this week kind of thing going on. And it was more of a competition between us just because of the dynamics in the office. This time, because the shock of where I was at, and I just could not believe that I had just let myself get that big. And I always say that because I'm